So, hello. This is an introduction or trailer, if you prefer, introducing the theme for next week's Eunoia. So we all have that friend, right, we all have that friend who knows every lyric ever, or obscure actors who are from this film or that film and how they relate together, or, that just has a pack of tarot cards they carry around with them and happily do a 5-card spread for you. As well as we all have that friend who loves to throw in foreign phrases or words and just try their hand at them. So for next week's Eunoia, I have decided to be both of those friends. It's going to be fun. It should be interesting as well. It shouldn't come across as being hokey or way too serious or way too out there for some of you. I like certain things that help me make decisions quickly. It's like that coin flip, right? As soon as you start to flip that coin and it goes up, you know what you want. And if you truly don't know, then pick either, because it doesn't matter. I have found that I actually do have a friend that does this. When these cards come out, I find it interesting because I like focusing on an idea or don't want to say problem, but just that thought that keeps tugging at your sleeve, at your mental sleeve. And I like the way that having the cards come out make me approach that in different directions. So even though it goes against the rules per se of how you actually do a reading, I think this is going to be something that we will enjoy together. So for Monday, it will be about using that wonderful imagination of yours and joining me in a very special place. At least one of my lovely followers is going to have an easier time with the playful puzzle-ish thing that is set in there simply because. Yeah, I'm going to be that other friend with the I shouldn't say foreign because I live in Wales, but using the Welsh words. There was a theme that came up. I actually did have my friend pull these cards, and there was a theme that came up through these cards along, and when I saw it, I instantly knew the name I wanted and kind of what I wanted to play with. So kudos to those of you who figure out why I chose a certain name and how it ties into the readings that we'll have through the week. So for the week, Monday is setting the scene, giving us somewhere to be together. And Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, each will have a different card. And Sunday that's our day to be together now, isn't it? Together in a different way to recover and prepare. So this should be fun. And if you do enjoy it, let me know, because I know I will do more. If you don't enjoy it, then skip it. And any that come out in the future, just skip those as well. I'm mostly interested in making sure that those who do enjoy certain subjects, that I touch on them again. And especially as we're moving forward to 2021 and this really neat idea, avenues, bunny trails, etc., that we're fleshing out and doing together. That's the most important part. If you really like something, let me know so I know that that's a path that we'll keep going down. Bye for now.